Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Yong. Today we are going to explore hip opening poses like yoga dandasana and dragon pose. Make sure before you join and you want to practice this deeper hip opening yoga poses, you should try to open up your hips and your hamstring, some twisting before you join and practice this tutorial. And we are also going to explore some of the variation that we have, okay, for the hip opening from the easier version and the more challenging one. For the first one, let's explore yoga dandasana. Of course, you need to have an open hip, okay, before you do this. But this is how I enter to the pose. So let's do straighten the legs and then cross one foot on top of the left thigh. Okay, then you bend the left leg. Okay, here. Then you want to twist your body to the left side. Okay, as much as you can. Then you try to bring the right armpit under. Okay, your right leg, right foot. Then you try to bring it to the side. Okay, how go depends on your flexibility. If you can, bring your right knee on the floor. Okay, so from here you can play around. If you can go deeper, try to go deeper to the pose by bringing your right foot under your armpit and then bring it in, bring it down, bring your right knee down. Then you can put your left arm on top of your left knee. This is yoga dandasana. You can right palm on the floor. Okay, that if you can go deeper, maybe you can try to grab your right knee with your right palm. Okay, then again, this is the variation. And if you want to go deeper, you can even bind your dandasana. Okay, bring your right arm close to your right waist and then left arm behind to bind the palms together. And you can open up the chest and your left shoulder, look to the left. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, stay here. Then slowly you can release the pose. Okay, of course, your other side to balance it out. Okay, so you can do the opposite side. Then, okay, you want to do some twisting. Of course, you need to do a bit of the twisting before you can okay, do your variation. You can bind it. And you can release. From here, we can more challenging pose is just the dragon pose, which is almost the same thing like this one, but we do it standing. Okay, so you need another element, you need another ability, which is to balance yourself when you stand with one leg. Okay, you try to stand up, and then the same thing, you need to bend your right leg and then cross it, put it there, then you slide slowly. You want to bend down and then you want to do the same thing. First of all, maybe you can try this pose. You need to balance up. You need to balance with the left foot only, left leg only. Maybe you can do chin mudra on your left palm. You can look up. Okay. If this first step you can do it, maybe it will be easier for you to go open up. Maybe at first you want to hold both palms on the left leg. And stay here. And when you are ready, you can open up the arms to the side. Okay, it's not easy, especially if you're not stepping on the flat ground. Try to find the flat ground, okay, and then do it again. Okay, maybe I'll do the right side. The ground is not flat, so it's harder for me, but let's try. You can look front. From here, if you want to bind, you can do the binding dragon. Okay, can bring your palms behind. and slowly release. Slowly come back. Slightly release the tension at the hips by moving your hips up and down. Then relax. This is how we do yoga dandasana and dragon pose. Alright, hope you enjoy it and keep trying practicing.